On to our next food adventure, pampagising man yan or pamparelax, syempre, kape ang pag-uusapan natin. Ikot na ako to some of the coffee spots that I want to try near or here in May Halike, presenting Coffee Manila. At baka naman meron pa silang isa pang food franchise. And every time I order something, mas pinipili ko ang recommendation, satisfied reaction.
Wow, this coffee again is more on the milkiness side, the sweetness side. Parang nung first impression ko dito, nung pag-inom ko, parang gusto ko puntahan din to kasi gusto ng mga family ko yung ganitong strong level ng kape nila. Pagdating naman dito sa sa parang gusto namin type of coffee, this is just right. Come on.
Itong mango cheesecake, ako naman nag-recommend nito.
Yung pearls nila, ang lambot. Tapos yung mango nila, lasap na lasap dun sa nila po. I know, the milk tea flavor. But this one, it's more on the mango. Hindi ko alam kung nasa yung cheesecake, pero I can give this another recommendation for you. Dito ko na rin ang kanilang plain Hong Kong style noodles.
Dito lang yan, pag-upo ko, harap ko na yung stall. Tapos itong noodles soft to, di siya usual Hong Kong style that we expected. Kasi mahirap naman to i-crispy, kailangan talaga i-fry. Even the barista help you to serve the sauce. Tapos tama yung paglagay, tapos tama pa yung alat.
Number 1 check, on to our next coffee location.
Nandito tayo sa second location natin, Cafe Simot. Kasi check, mapapasimot ako sa paghigop ng coffee nila. So napapansin nyo, mas mura pa tong coffee shop. Pero hindi nawawala yung mga coffee shop, mga varieties nila, yung mga iba't iba. Hindi lang sila nag-serve ng coffee, but meron silang milk tea, meron pa silang latte and others. And also I ordered this is a lot higher. Since it's their recommendation, why not order something special?
My reaction to this coffee, syempre, sabi daw niya, mas maraming espresso siya compare sa cafe caramel, mocha, and sa latte. Pero yung tinikman ko to, it feels just right. Parang maano din to ng mga kasama ko na kunyari kung hindi ka matapang sa coffee and gusto mo ng tamang lasa lang, yung tamang coffee, ito na yun. Parang siya yung vanilla coffee ng, for example, Starbucks or UCC. Parang ganun, kung ano yung lightest coffee nila na level, parang ito na yun. Kasi actually, yung mga natikman ko pang previous coffee spots here in May Alige, mas light pa siya compared to this one. This one is just right to my coffee level. So that's it. At yun nga, dumadaan na dito mga customers sa yan. Siyempre, on to our next coffee spot location.
Sugar baby, baka mo naman dito na tayo sa last coffee adventure natin. Yee! As this vlog will end, this will get more interesting. Tapos nasa loob na tayo ng isang shop. So this is upgraded and another one na meron pa silang features dito. Price is unexpected, sumobrang mura versus sa cost ng franchise. Diba dapat sa ganitong setup, dapat average yung presyo nila. And now we're talking. Tapos imekos-mekos mo na yun para special ang lasa.
Bestseller daw to and this is also their recommendation. So, mas mataas na yung expectation ko dito. Once I want to drink this, then nung pag-inom ko dito, then the chocolate, talagang chocolatey. And nung pagtikim ko ng cream nila, akala ko cream lang siya pero may halong saltiness. Parang salted cream. Sabi daw nila cream pero salted cream And even if you mix it, it's still delicious. Uminom ka lang ng cream nila, punta ka lang sa ilalim, inuwin mo yung cream nila. Chocolate naman, kahit ihalo mo, yun, dun pa rin yung lasa ng chocolate nila. So yeah, the kick of chocolate, I love it. So you must try this Belgian chocolate.